Anxiety attacks, you want to rake your chest. So this is solution number one. So when y'all get anxious, what do you feel? Sometimes your chest get tight. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. You start shallow breathing, and then your blood pressure goes up, your heart rate goes up, right? So what do you want to do? You want to relax your diaphragm. When you're shallow breathing, you actually hyperventilate, and that makes you even more anxious. So you want to, what I call rake your chest, is you want to rake your chest, right? So you in between your ribs, you have these little tendons. You don't want them to contract, you want them to relax. So by raking it, it relaxes those tendons and ligaments, right? And then if you have someone that's nearby, a friend or family member, you want to have them rake your back. So rake your back. And you can put some liniments, you can put some massage bombs, something like eucalyptus, peppermint oil, essential oils. You can also use, we have something here called woodlock oil. It's like invigorating muscle relaxant oil. And you just keep on, you do it the whole back. I would say up to your bra strap for women, and about, for men, about mid right here. So especially you want to rake this center of the back, because nerves from here, okay, from this mid back, actually go to your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is what allows you to breathe in, breathe out. And if that's always contracted, then it's hard to expand your lungs. So if you can't expand your lungs, that's why you should do shallow breathing. That's why you go versus that. I'm able to take a deep breath because of the diaphragm. So you also want to rake down here, because your diaphragm is right here, right? So you want to rake your chest up here and rake your down here until you can start breathing deeply, and you will see your anxiety start to calm down. All right. Make sure you'll hit like this video and follow me here for more of these awesome solutions. And remember, anything is achievable. This is Jimmy, the acupuncture guy.
Hi, my name's Randy. Been a mechanic for about 25 years and had really bad back pain, hand pain, pain in my feet that I figured I just gonna have to live with the rest of my life. But been coming to acupuncture for about 3 months now, and it's great. I recommend it to anybody.
We're gonna talk about food. Food, everybody loves food, right? I'm definitely a foodie. Love to eat. I was born in Taipei, Taiwan, and Taiwan is known for, very famous for their night markets. It's actually internationally known. They've been on the Food Channel so many times, and so that's one of the things I love about visiting Taiwan. But today, we're not gonna talk about the food trucks. We're not gonna talk about the night market. We're gonna talk about something that, I've been doing. Something this company is actually one of our patients was taking this, and it was all organic, and it's a product. It's a gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and vegan. So I was like, this is perfect, because that's what I do. And so one of the products this company is called Organifi. And so one of the products is called Gold, and it's basically a mixture of turmeric and reishi mushrooms, right? So you've got this anti-inflammatory and this super powerful antioxidant. It's got lemon balm, turkey tail, red reishi mushrooms. It's got, what else? Organic coconut milk powder, organic cinnamon powder, organic ginger extract powder. So lots of anti-inflammatories, lots of roots, mushrooms, and very good and antioxidants also. So I would say this is a very good formula or a supplement that you can use to decrease inflammation. They recommend doing it at nighttime, as a nighttime body soothing herbal tea. And so I like it just, you could do it in your smoothie, okay? You could do it in your smoothie in the morning. They say you can add your rice milk, coconut milk, almond milk. But yes, so this is one of the new companies. Not new, I've been using it for about a month or so. But I love everything that's in it. It's organic. Again, I love it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. It's vegan. So no dairy in here, no cow dairy, no genetically modified foods, which is super important. Because I shared a few videos ago that the baby and infant an infant formulas that we're feeding, that pediatricians are recommending babies today, these days, is actually genetically modified soybeans, genetically modified everything. There's cornstarch syrup, there's high fructose corn syrup. This is in baby formulas, okay? I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. And so that's why I love things that are organic, soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. We need to be feeding our kids, nutritious stuff, not all the genetically modified stuff, right? No wonder we're getting diabetes. No wonder we're getting autoimmune disease, because we're feeding our babies chemicals. So if you want to give this a try, we do have some sample packets at the clinic, AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com. But we do have some sample packets. You want to try them out. They're pretty good. I'll introduce one by one all the stuff that I'm taking, because I'm using their protein shake and their greens, organic greens. And it's really good, tastes good. I mean, for me, it tastes really good. And so if you want a sample, just give us a call. Hook you up with some gold nuggets, right? Some gold right here. So if you want something that is organic, vegan-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, then definitely you want to check out Organifi. And we do carry this product in our clinic. We only carry, so the products, we carry supplements, we carry Chinese herbs, and the only supplements and herbs that we carry are always two things. Number one, pharmaceutical grade. Number two, third-party tested. So we guarantee that those are products that we provide our patients are safe. And in fact, they're all the products that I take personally. I would never have a patient take something that I don't take personally myself. So everything that we carry in my clinics is it's everything that I've taken before, and I give it to my family. And so if I trust that to my family, definitely I feel safe to give it to my patients. All right. So if you want to give a try of the Organifi Gold, give us a call at AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com if you got any questions. But this is Foodie Friday. All right. It's the start of Foodie Friday.